Welcome to a new era of transportation, where innovation and design redefine how we travel. From the skies to the streets, this roundup showcases some of the most groundbreaking vehicles that blend cutting-edge technology with exceptional performance. Meet the future of mobility with the Lilium jet, a sleek eVTOL aircraft set to revolutionize urban air travel. Experience the Lazareth LMV 496, a fusion of motorcycle and car that redefines speed and style. Discover the Avverine Tectus Ultimate, a hybrid powerhouse for those who crave luxury and speed. Glide effortlessly on the Segway Ninebot S or the Blizwheel electric roller skates. Get ready to tackle off-road adventures with the Kubrg Freerider and Kubrg Box. Dive into versatility with the Lazareth LMV and feel the thrill of the Kubrg Wolf King GRT and Iahora Romeo Pro 2 electric scooters. Lastly, soar through the skies with the Skyscooper aircraft, a marvel of personal aviation. Buckle up as we explore these exciting advancements in transportation. The Lilium jet is redefining air travel with its sleek, futuristic design and innovative technology. This electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft boasts zero emissions and a top speed of 186 mph. With its unique jet-like wings and advanced propulsion system, it promises a quiet, efficient flight experience. Designed for urban mobility, it can transport passengers across cities with ease. The Lilium jet's cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly features make it one of the most exciting advancements in aviation. Buckle up, because the future of flight is here. Blizwheel electric roller skates are redefining personal transport. These skates boast a sleek design and powerful dual motors, allowing speeds up to 12 miles per hour. The rechargeable battery offers a range of 10 miles on a single charge, making them perfect for short commutes. With easy-to-use controls integrated into the skates, riders can switch between speed modes effortlessly. The skates feature durable wheels and a sturdy build for a smooth, stable ride. Ideal for urban environments, Blizwheel electric roller skates blend innovation and style for an exciting, eco-friendly ride. The Avverine Tectus Ultimate is a game-changer in the world of high-performance vehicles. Imagine a sleek design with aerodynamic perfection, combined with a hybrid powertrain that delivers jaw-dropping acceleration. With a top speed that breaks records and cutting-edge tech like an advanced AI driving assistant, it's the epitome of luxury and speed. The interior boasts a futuristic cockpit, complete with a holographic display and premium materials. For those who crave the ultimate driving experience, the Avverine Tectus Ultimate is where innovation meets exhilaration. The Lazareth LMV is a true marvel of engineering. This unique vehicle combines the thrill of a motorcycle with the versatility of an amphibious craft. On land, it features a sleek, futuristic design with a powerful 500cc engine and advanced suspension for a smooth ride. When it's time to hit the water, the amphibian transforms with retractable wheels and built-in buoyancy aids. It can reach speeds of up to 50 mph on water, making it perfect for adventurous excursions. Whether you're cruising city streets or exploring lakes and rivers, the Lazareth LMV offers an unparalleled blend of style and functionality. The Segway Ninebot S is an impressive personal transport solution with standout features. First, it offers a top speed of 12.5 mph and a range of up to 22 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for longer rides. It comes with a built-in gyroscope for stable and precise control, and the intuitive balancing technology ensures a smooth ride. The Segway Ninebot S also features smart LED lights for visibility and safety, and it can handle inclines of up to 15 degrees. Plus, With its easy-to-use app, you can customize settings and track your ride. Ideal for urban commuting or leisurely rides, the Ninebot S Plus combines convenience and cutting-edge technology for a superior riding experience. The Segway Ninebot S Plus is an impressive personal transport solution with standout features. First, it offers a top speed of 12.5 mph and a range of up to 22 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for longer rides. It comes with a built-in gyroscope for stable and precise control, and the intuitive balancing technology ensures a smooth ride. The Segway Ninebot S Plus also features smart LED lights for visibility and safety, and it can handle inclines of up to 15 degrees. Plus, with its easy-to-use app, you can customize settings and track your ride. Ideal for urban commuting or leisurely rides, the Ninebot S Plus combines convenience and cutting-edge technology for a superior riding experience. The Kubrg Freerider is a game-changer in electric off-road bikes. It combines high performance with eco-friendly technology. With a powerful 5 kW motor, it can hit speeds up to 60 km/h and tackle steep inclines with ease. Its 48V lithium battery provides a range of up to 60 km on a single charge. The Freerider features a durable aluminum frame and advanced suspension, making it perfect for rough terrains. Plus, its lightweight design and electric power mean you can enjoy an adrenaline rush without the noise and emissions of traditional dirt bikes. The wired cruiser e-bike is redefining urban mobility with its sleek, futuristic design and powerful features. This e-bike comes equipped with a robust 750-watt motor, delivering smooth and efficient rides even on challenging terrains. Its 48-volt battery offers an impressive range of up to 50 miles on a single charge. With a top speed of 28 mph, you'll get where you need to go quickly. The cruiser also boasts a high-quality suspension system for a smooth ride and integrates a user-friendly LCD display that keeps track of speed, battery life, and distance. Whether commuting or exploring, the wired cruiser e-bike is designed for style and performance. The future of transportation is here, offering a blend of innovation, performance, and style across various modes of travel. Whether you're flying through the city in a Lilium jet, cruising with the Lazareth LMV 496, or exploring rugged terrains on a Kubrg Freerider, each vehicle represents a leap forward in technology and design. With options ranging from high-speed electric scooters to versatile amphibious bikes, the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned as these groundbreaking vehicles pave the way for a new chapter in mobility, making every journey an exciting adventure.